Welcome to Pinewoods International High School and Junior College, located in the beautiful hills of Panchgani, Maharashtra. Since our establishment in 1986, we have been dedicated to fostering an environment that nurtures both academic and personal growth. As a co-educational boarding school, we provide a diverse curriculum including ICSE, SSC, and HSC, paving the way for our students' future success. We are excited to announce that admissions are now open for the 2025-26 academic year. We invite parents to discover our all-inclusive package designed for convenience and flexibility. This package allows for easy payment in installments, ensuring accessibility for all families. Our well-maintained hostel provides students with a comfortable living space and nutritious meals prepared every day. Students receive a complete 28-piece uniform along with all necessary books and stationery to support their education. Like laundry, help our students focus on their studies and personal development, eliminating daily hassles. Pinewoods is dedicated to creating a worry-free and enriching learning experience for each child. If you are interested in learning more about our programs, please feel free to reach out to us at the provided contact numbers. You can also visit our website for more information about our offerings and admission details. Join us at Pinewoods International High School and Junior College, where we prepare students for academic excellence and personal growth. Together, let's build a bright future for our children, filled with endless possibilities.